This Weber repair video is all about replacing the propane gas regulator on the Genesis 2 LX series of grills. It's pretty straightforward work, but there are some details you need to understand. The regulator is threaded onto the propane tank, which is on the right-hand side of all the grills in this series. There are a few different reasons why you might need to replace the regulator. The hose could be cracked, there could be leaking coming from different parts of the regulator, or it might not be delivering gas properly to the burners. Either way, it's very important that you use a genuine Weber regulator for this repair. The number you see here refers to the particular regulator that applies to the grill we're working on. You'll also need a couple of wrenches. An adjustable and an open-end wrench work perfectly. Start by making sure the tank valve is closed, and then unthread the regulator from the tank valve by hand like this. If you're working on the regulator because you think it's leaking, take a look inside the tank valve first before you proceed. There's an O-ring in there, and if it's cracked, broken, or out of round, that could be the source of your leak, not a bad regulator. If the O-ring looks good, remove the tank from the tank scale and get it out of the way so you have more room to work. The regulator hose connects to the system with a brass fitting, and now's the time to loosen that. Put your adjustable wrench on the main body of the fitting like you see here, then use your open-end wrench to loosen the fitting on the end of the gas line. Never attempt to loosen this fitting without supporting the main body. The regulator connection is made with brass flare fittings, which means there's no O-ring involved. For this kind of connection to work and be gas tight, it needs to be completely clean. Make sure both sides of the connection are clean before proceeding. When you open up the box with the new regulator in it, look for paperwork inside. There may be special instructions that you need to pay attention to. Also, every new regulator comes with an information tag on it. Be sure to leave this tag on for the grill owner. Thread the brass fitting of the new regulator on finger tight, then use your adjustable and open-end wrenches as before to tighten the fitting. Moderate pressure is all you need. Replace the tank and secure it on the tank scale, then connect the regulator hand tight to the valve body. It's essential that you check for gas leaks using a soap and water solution on the fittings. Open the tank valve and spray all the fitting areas that you worked on using this solution. If no active bubbles appear, you're leak-free. Rinse the fittings with clear water and dry them off. Finish up by testing for proper ignition and burner operation, and you're done.